everybody. My name is Galileo Galilei. As you can see, I am wearing a tuxedo right now. It's because there was a single problem. St. Peter gave me an invitation to your science opening program today. But I needed a host. So I stole the body of this boy named Abilino to be my host. So that's why I'm wearing a tuxedo right now. Tuxedo a la Galilei. Who is Galileo Galilei? Galileo Galilei is a scientist, an Italian scientist who invented many things that help people today, tomorrow, and the past. My first invention was the telescope. Did you ever wonder why I invented the telescope? No, not say someone. It's because of my name. It's Galileo Galilei. I invented the telescope because I always Galilei.